Does this sound familiar? You're making every meal on the stove or in your oven right now, and everyone in your family has a device that's plugged in. All right, Rusty Wise is with Mr. Sparky. He joins us. So, Rusty, the energy footprint in our homes have increased exponentially. Can you tell us about that, sir?
Yes, with this pandemic, energy is consumed more at home. If you think about it, restaurants, when they cook a meal, or the student in the classroom, or an employee at work, all that energy that was consumed preparing that meal or being at work or at school is now transferred to your home. So all that energy is being consumed in your home, which puts an extremely large load on your electrical system in the home.
You want to remind everybody about the safety measures they need to continue to take care of. The very first place you say is to start in the kitchen. Why should we start in the kitchen, sir?
Well, the kitchen has a lot of circuits and appliances, and a lot of cooking happens in the kitchen. That's where a lot of fires happen. So we want to be safe in the kitchen. A lot of microwave circuits are really being used right now. So a lot of fires happen in the kitchen. Could be cooking, it could be electrical.
I don't know when the last time I checked my smoke detector, but I would imagine that this is a good time right now for smoke detectors and plans.
Yes, smoke detectors need to be checked at least once a year. We prefer twice a year. Test them, make sure they work, and also have an evacuation plan for the family. That is key. During a fire, everybody's panicking. You need to have a meeting place outside by the mailbox or a tree out front so everybody can meet. So tonight, when everybody's together, say, hey, we're going to meet at the mailbox if we have an emergency in the home.
With the abundance of energy that we are all using, how can we determine or detect if we have electrical problems in our home?
Well, a lot of times you'll see lights flickering, dimming, that sort of thing, or like an electrical smell, or more of a plastic burning smell. With chargers plugged in, strips, that sort of thing. It's very key that you pay attention. Any lights flickering, you need to call an electrician because you probably have a problem.
So I know we're all dependent upon our Wi-Fi right now. Everybody's using it. But when we see the Wi-Fi signal dip in and out and things kind of flicker back and forth, could that be another identification of a problem, an inherent problem?
Yeah, your Wi-Fi router and your computer system's connected to power. So a lot of times if you're dropping Wi-Fi or you're having internet speed issues, it's not always the provider. It could be an electrical problem in your home, because if you start having poor quality power going to that router, it will shut down. So any electrical systems in your home, lights flickering, it can definitely affect your Wi-Fi and your internet at home. Really can.
I know you guys have been selling generators, so tell me about that, sir.
Yes, we sold quite a few generators, portables, standbys. Everybody's working at home now, or the kids are at home doing school. So energy is very important. Even in the media, a lot of media people are at home. People having offices at home. So power is critical. 24/7, we've installed generators to keep people up and going. And Generac now has a power cell. It's a battery pack that we can install also that we have available.
So I understand that your technicians are staying extremely busy. So what safety measures are you taking to assure your customers' safety, sir?
Well, we follow all CDC guidelines, temperature check, gloves, masks, sterilization. We make sure that our employees are safe, of course, but we also want to make sure the customers are safe. So everybody's safe in the environment that we're working in.
For more information, you can call Mr. Sparky at 704-323-8006. That's 704-323-8006. Or you can reach him online at MrSparkyCharlotte.com. That's MrSparkyCharlotte.com. Rusty, thank you very much, sir.
Thanks for having me. It's our pleasure. We're here for everyone 24/7 for all your electrical needs. Thank you very much.